This is how you create a YouTube channel the proper way. Let's get into that. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So I'm the Ecom guy. I have 2 years experience when it comes to marketing and growing a channel on social media, and I'm a beginner in e-coms. So let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is go to your settings in your YouTube studio, click on settings, and you need to go to the channel category. And as you can see here, I'm on the e-commerce channel, and these are just some tags that I put in there so that the people who search for that tags will actually see my channel pop up. And as you guys can see, it is all the things that are related to my channel, which are like sales, TikTok, Instagram, those type of things. And you want to actually put that in there because it is very important for growth as well. So the next thing we're going to look at is the upload default. You want to click on there, and as you can see, you have the title and the description. You don't want to put anything in the title because that you're going to do after you upload the video, so you don't want to put anything there. The description, you do want to put stuff in there. Put the things that you would want to use in every video, so like have an introduction of yourself and then your social media links and anything else that you want to put in there. And also put a type of call to action like I did over there. It helps a lot. And then also, if you scroll down, you can see that there's more tags. You can put tags in your videos, but it doesn't help actually. YouTube has said themselves that tags don't work, and people actually fill up the tag box. But if you want to, it's all up to you. Now that that is done, it is left to the last step. When you go down to customization, you actually need to put a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. So you want to click on the 3 dots, change video, and then you can choose whichever video you want to choose. So these are the videos I chose. These are this one and that one. This one is different because this is a featured video for the returning subscribers. So you can just put there your latest video if they haven't watched it, or one of your good videos. And then the featured sections, you can go there, add your section, and single playlist would be the good one. So I would choose the drop shipping. So I would put the drop shipping playlist on top of the featured channels, and then you can just add more as well if you want to. So once you are done with everything that is in the layout section, you'd want to go to the branding, and then you'd want to put your logo where it says picture, and then you'd want to press change and add your logo. And then the next thing would be the banner image. I do not know why my thing didn't load, so you just want to upload your banner image. Let me just go upload mine. So if you want to add a video watermark, you could. It is actually pretty good to add that. You can just add entire video or custom start time depending on you. The last thing you want to edit is the basic info section. You want to go there, you can write a description of what the channel is about, and yeah, you can add some social links and where the people can contact you. So yeah, that is basically all what you need to know when making a YouTube channel. Hopefully this video did help you guys. Drop a like, subscribe, and if you want to see who is better between TikTok or YouTube, make sure to check out this video right here, and I'll catch you guys there. Peace out.